Tips for mobile banners. There are some tips for mobile banners as well. I call mobile banners three formats: 320 by 100, 320 by 50, and 300 by 50. Last one is placed in mobile apps usually. So here are these formats. And what can we do with them? The one option is to create less text on them. We already did it. So we moved this description from the text bubbles, and now these banners are readable enough. But there is another hint that I didn't show yet. Google allows you to upload double-sized images for these three formats because they will look better at high-resolution displays of modern smartphones. So you actually can create double-sized banners. They will be 640 by 200. Another will be 440 by 100, and for 600 by 100. Okay, so you can use these three formats, but there is one important note: you can't upload these images, these images, via Google Ads Editor. You probably know that Google Ads Editor is a software that you install on your desktop to operate Google Ads more efficiently. So you can't upload these double-sized images through this tool. You need to go to your web interface and open your Ads tab and upload your images right there. So in this case, they will work fine, and you will have your images of a much better resolution for modern smartphones. So these are tips for your mobile banners.